Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Forex Technical Market Update for Friday, September 16, 2016. Here am I saying 2016. And we are essentially the last day of the week, and we have had a strong move down in the euro versus the US dollar. And if you recall, yesterday I said that you should watch these two triangles. You have an inner triangle, and as you can see it right here, the market was contained in, and an outer triangle. So the market looks like it may break this inner triangle, and that will be bolstered if the market can go below 110, or sorry, this is 111. If the market closes below 111 over the next couple of days, that will be good. Then the next area of major support is this outer triangle in the euro versus US dollar. Let me just compress the chart a little. So you have this inner triangle, and then you have the outer triangle. If we break below 110, and then we can break below this triangle, that would be very bullish for the US dollar. And just recall that this move essentially was set up after the market hit an important pivot point level. The market went up to the monthly pivot point at 113.33. 113.33. It's on my chart here. 113.33. Market went up to the pivot point. He's got a sell signal, and the market is moving to the downside as we speak. So that's 113.33 down to 111.63. Quite a big move. Similar situation here with the British pound. It all started when the market tested that monthly pivot point at the 133.86 level, and now the market is 130.81. So over 300 pips move to the downside. And that's important, and looking at and preparing your charts beforehand. And if you are following these alerts that I gave you over the last week or so, you should be up at least 300-400 pips on the recommendations or the trade insight that I said, especially against the British pound and the euro, where we call those trades in live action. Similar situation with the Australian dollar. When the market traded up against the 77.20 level, I said that be on the lookout for, because the market was at monthly resistance and weekly resistance. I said be on the lookout that the market could turn around, and that's exactly what happened. So these levels are definitely something that you should pay attention to. If you're unclear about pivot points, if you're unclear about your trading in general, I am offering a free class. And on that free class, we'll address what issues you will be having with your trading, and we can even expand more on the idea of pivot points, Fibonacci retracements, if you're having problems with the moving averages, etc. Or if you're just having problems coming up with a trading plan to stick to. Because in speaking with folks, one of the major things that they say is that they believe they have to be staring at in front of a screen all day to trade, and that is not true. You can develop an effective plan, especially if you trade the 4-hour chart, that you don't have to be staring at the screen all day, and you can just make the market run. For example, we got the sell signal in here at 133.70 or so, and we'll still be in this trade. And this is over a week now where you'll still be in this trade. So what you will do is just as the market moves in your direction, you put your stop loss and you just monitor the market and follow the plan. If you don't have a plan, I suggest that you get a trading plan, and we can work on that together on the class. So if you'd like to sign up with that class, it's a personal one-on-one class. You can click on the link below this video, and 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 get started. What I do ask for is to leave a refundable deposit just to book your spot in the class, because if I don't ask for a refundable deposit, then everybody's going to sign up for the class, and we only want the folks who actually really want to improve their trading with the class. So we ask for a refundable deposit. I believe it's $95. After the class is over, your $95 will be returned to you. Okay. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll continue to monitor this trade into next week, especially with the British pound. Look for some support in the 130.50 area and longer term support at 128.50. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful day.